This morning I'm in Fountainbrook Estate. That's the neighboring estate next to Midstream. I'm standing in front of one of the new modern properties, mostly direct from developers in this estate. And you'll notice that this is same quality of finishes, same developers that's also developing in Midstream. So this property behind me is going in the market for just below 7.2 million. It's a VAT deal. There's no transfer duty, so you'll only pay your bond and your attorney fees on top. This property consists of 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, double garage, beautiful modern finishes. And you'll notice behind me there's a big open bush area, and that is the river that's flowing here, and nobody is going to build on that side. It's like a park area in front of you, so very secure and private. And then also, let me show you inside this quality that we're looking at. This property covers under roof just over 400 square meters, and the land is just over 800 square meters. It's one of the bigger pieces of land. On average you'll find the land is 500-600, so this is one of the bigger pieces of land available. Entering here, you've got a beautiful, they're busy still cleaning up, but you've got a beautiful private entrance. See the staircase with frameless balustrades, double garage coming from here, and then entering your kitchen and living areas. Also high ceilings with the bulkheads. Same quality finishes, gas plates, integrated fridge, and you also have space for your double door fridge on the scullery side. You'll notice as we go through this property, you're going to recognize it from Midstream. There's the same developer with the same quality of finishes. Your double air fryer on this side, enough cupboard space, drawers and storage space all around. Like I mentioned, higher ceilings. Let's look on the scullery. Extra cupboards on this side. Push button, so this can be also utilized for your pantry. Space for 1, 2, 3 appliances, double door fridge, water connection point, and then also on the outside a full staff room with bathroom, your staff accommodation. Also you notice it's the same quality of basins that's also been installed in Midstream. Enough workspace here. Aluminium frames also straight through the property, and bigger ceiling fans here. That's also on that 3-way light setting that you can change your light color. So this property has been staged, as you can see. There's also everything here. The TV is a dummy TV, and it's just to give you the idea and give you the layout space that you can have the feel of where you can put what and the amount of available space left. Also this area can be utilized as a alternative living area, because you've got it's a patio, but you also got your outside patio as well. Before we go into the bedrooms, let's have a look outside. This pool is 6x4, and I must say it's a beautiful open piece of land for your kids to enjoy and to play. And from here, your open braai area, patio that's a bit covered, and then also on top a covered balcony with a beautiful view onto this park area across this stream. Yeah, your patio. Enough space here on this decking area, and that you can just sit and relax and enjoy this open private yard space. So as you sit here, there's nobody looking down you. There's still another house to be built on that side, but very private and secure. Let's look at the first bedroom on this side. So upstairs is still full. This is your guest, your powder room, also with soft closers, bathroom, floating vanity, and then also your frameless showers. An eastern window and a northern window. Space for your study or makeup station, and built-in cupboard in this corner as well. Let's look upstairs. Another space here, private space, and with the bulkheads and a ceiling fan. Remember, I've mentioned about this private balcony that is overlooking this park area. Let's look on this side. Like I mentioned here, this is east, northern side. So in the afternoon, you'll have this sun that drops on the back side. So you have a beautiful covered shade area overlooking your yard and your pool area. The installed gutters, remember gutters is not compulsory. According to the NHBRC, they say if there's a meter paving around the property, it's not compulsory to install gutters. So the gutters that's up here is also extras that this developer installed. Before we go into the main, let's first look to this. Look at the space. You can easily put in a double bed. They've put in a 3/4 to give you the amount of space. Higher ceilings, and also with the ceiling fans installed. Your linen cupboard here in the corner, and then another bedroom on this side with an ensuite. Also shower, basin and toilet. So you'll ask me, the previous bedroom, where's the bathroom? So it also have a bathroom, but just down the passage here. So this bedroom will use this bathroom here. So the reason why it's not ensuite is if you got guests or friends visiting your kids and they want to utilize a bathroom, they can easily come and go into this bathroom that is a bit separate. So this bedroom will also make use of that bathroom, So you've got 1, 2, 3 and the main bedroom next door. This is basically a mirror from the one next door. Entering the main, enough space here for even your small TV room area. As you can see, a small lounge suite and space for your TV point already installed, your plug points ready to be used. And then also from here you do have a view, the same view over this rubber. Your makeup station, entering the dresser area, place for your shoes, enough cupboard space also behind me, and then your main with a double vanity, cabinet toilet, loose standing bath, hand shower, and then a big walk-in shower. We do have one of the special mirrors where you can use and switch on and off for night time for minimum light. So if we want to capture this property, we've got 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. We do have a double garage, open plan living areas, outside patio and an inside patio, a yard space of just over 800 square meter, the house just over 400, and it will go in the market for just over 7.2 or just under 7.2, and that will be VAT included. There's no transfer duties, you'll only pay your bond and attorney fees on top. If you like this, follow and subscribe for more, and be ready to call me and